Cycle counting is wonderful, and companies that typically maintain good inventories will do cycle counts. My understanding, or in my previous business experience, what a cycle count is, throughout a day or a week or a shift, you will pick an item and a location and go out and count that item, location to understand its accuracy. And then should there be a change, a couple things. One is you don't just do an inventory adjustment to make the change should you happen to see it. What's really important to do, rather than just make a journal entry to make that change, is actually do the RCA. That's an acronym for root cause analysis, probably an engineering term. But go through and do the root cause analysis to understand why the physical inventory or the cycle count was different from what the perpetual said. So why are those two numbers different? Go back and understand where the error or mistake was made, and maybe that could even cause you to change your processes so that eventually when you do the next cycle count that the actual inventory matches the perpetual or system inventory. Because when those two don't match, that's usually indicative of a broken process. So that's the peril of a cycle count. Now, if you continue to do cycle counts, you're ensured of accurate item, so SKU, and quantity, those two match. But the question in business or in inventory management that you always have is how accurate is your four-wall inventory? Because it would not be uncommon that A, you have another item in that same location, or B, that item exists in another location. What if you just got another pallet of the material in and it's not in that location any longer? So the only thing that does is ensures item location accuracy. It does not ensure four-wall accuracy. The only time you get a four-wall accuracy is when you freeze the inventory and do a complete four-wall physical inventory. Don't get fooled into thinking a cycle count means your inventory as a whole is accurate.